I'd like to review this solar hummingbird lantern. Now, we got this as a birthday gift for a friend who has a beautiful landscape backyard and patio, and we thought this would be a perfect addition to the backyard. I just received it, but I wanted to do a quick review before we wrap. Now, the outdoor lantern adds a perfect decoration both day and night, and as you can see, it features a detailed hummingbird cutout design, and it has a vintage copper metal finish. The built-in solar panel charges in direct sunlight, so don't need any batteries or electrical connection. And after dark, the lantern produces a warm glow, projects the hummingbird pattern onto the deck or walkways, making it a comfortable area to relax. And it's similar to what you see here. The metal hanger makes it easy to hang from off a tree or garden stand or a porch hanger, or it can simply be placed flat on a table or any flat surface. Now, the lantern is waterproof and it could withstand outdoor conditions such as rain, and it's a perfect gift for birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, or just to say thank you. Overall, it's an attractive solar lantern that brings a warm accent to your outdoor decor, and for that reason, for me, it's a definite gotta get.